Sometimes it's nice to kulewa kale. Ate muri mukujja wana awo. Nakubigeza Africana.
20, 50, 3 million. Okay. Instagram. Okay. When I do, I'm sweating. Don't forget.
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, this is Pia Pounds and I'm calling you to the one and only show, Africana, Hotel Africana, Venatu Juleo, Kumach, Galumu, mitwale 2, mitwale 5, 3 million at table. Abagala tunalanga ku table. Muleta yo ku millions. Bakole batya? Kubaga omubi tulina omulabe.
Thanks, babe. Thank you so much.
Really mutebo.
Bana
Lydia supports. I've never seen a single show nga Lydia tatudde ku table. So let us bana abayimbi. Kanzira mu drum. Siri mu birango. Kanzira mu drum.
No, I like that. I swear I like that. Do you know why? I keep telling people, senga twegura ko table abayimbi ne twe supporting her. I'm glad you also see that. So senga to share collaborate to reducing that stress.
Tickets back
you know? Imagine all artists nekamba 20 artists you're buying a table. Naba nayo no linako na 59 tugula, you know? Would be beautiful.
To demo drop your face. Kale kati. Enda kuyimba ka face.
Na epios. Oyagala ka face.
Itaka kuolinya bali kolewe mumba. Kusala likole mwe mumbwa Nunenga kone mozungaze Lemo daga Mazine chira Baby na hizo yimba. Yo, ladies and gentlemen, it's your girl Pia Pounds and I'm calling you to the one and only show, First March Africana. Let us be there. We love you and we cannot wait to see you.
Thank you, baby.
Thank you so much. I love you. Congratulations.
Thank you. You know, you'll be mine. Thank you. You guys will have fun.
I know.
It's gonna be beautiful. Banange, Bakola Mwina. You already know. It's my first concert. It means a lot. So come through. Mujamwina. Galumu March. Ku Hotel Africana. Besunzenyo. Rehearsals. It's going to be a beautiful show. Lots of surprises. Tulina binje ebintu twagala kukola mu ebyenjawulo, so don't miss. Mubeleyo mangu sawa bidding enda ku stage. So come through. 3 million a table of 8 people. 20k ordinary, 50k VIP. So muje mumpagire bamikwano mbesonze. Attend, you ready? See you guys there. God bless you.
Voice in Uganda.
Thank you.
End of story.
Pia njagala nnyo. She came at the press conference, she has come at the rehearsals. But like friends, where are you?
Yes, I'm
Hey, ono mugagga leero kiggwa. Thank you, darling. I know. Yaka special dedication to Pia. I swear. How are you woman no one muri babiri?
Abagala kakayimba. Bane
Yakaba babiri bamuka kozina mu schools.
yakunonya eti.
You can feel a rehearsal at home.
Concert.
One singer, one person.
Are we done? Ngambi omwazinga. We are done.
Concert you not kuba kaimba.
Kape.
Mwesigwa saxophonist. On first March, I'm gonna be performing with Lydia Jazmine, and come one, come all, buy the tickets. See you there.
20K, 50K, 3 million a table. Tell Africana. See you guys there.
See you.